Since 2017, the Indian Olympic Association or IOA appears to have been pushing India as a sporting heavyweight. India bidded for 2026 Summer Youth Olympics and 2032 Summer Olympics and Paralympic Games. But due to COVID-19, the Summer Youth Olympics were postponed by 4 years and India lost the bid for hosting 2032 Olympics to Brisbane in Australia, splashing water on the hopes of India for hosting Olympics. So why is India not able to host Olympic Games? Well, let's find out. There are three main reasons because of which India have failed to host any Olympic event. First of the reason is the mishandling of Commonwealth Games held in New Delhi in 2010. Up till now, India has only hosted a handful of multi-sport events including the Commonwealth Games in 2010. The Commonwealth Games was by far the biggest multi-sport event happened in India, but the event turned out to be a disaster. With a serious corruption and delays in finishing the construction work of venues, the image of India as a big event host was spoiled. This is one of the reasons why International Olympic Committee have not chosen India as one of the Olympic hosts. The second reason is India's performance in Olympic Games. Since the beginning of Olympics, India has only managed to earn 28 medals. Of these 28 medals, 10 were earned before 1950s. From the perspective of outsider, this gives an impression that India does not take sports seriously. For instance, take Brazil. Brazil was able to collect 17 Olympic medals in 2008 Beijing Olympics, which resulted in Rio de Janeiro selected as a city for conduct in 2016 Olympics. The third main reason is the financial impact. The primary reason why countries are backing away from hosting an Olympic event is the cost. Take Tokyo Olympic for instance. The estimated cost for hosting Tokyo Olympics were around $26 billion, which is huge. So it doesn't make any sense for India to spend such mammoth amount to host an Olympic event when more than 20% of our population lives under the poverty line. Hosting an event like Olympic will bring a financial strain which can even result into a disaster. Although hosting Olympics may result into a disaster, the economy of India nowadays is strong enough to successfully conduct multi-billion-dollar event. The sport facilities in India are growing and our players are now winning major titles all over the globe. Even if India have failed to successfully bid for 2032 Olympics, India is trying to up the ante. India have planned to construct world-class venues so that it can successfully bid for 2048 Olympics. And the rate in which Indian economy is increasing, I am not hesitating to say that India will successfully host Olympics in near future.